Alright, here we go. We're doing at 25 yards, just an expansion comparison between the Hornady Critical Defense in 185 grain versus the Winchester Super X silver tips, jacketed hollow points, 225 grain and 45 Colt. As you see, shooting through a 6-inch barrel. It's a shotgun insert from Chippa. Alright. Alright, here we go. As y'all just seen, did the shot with the, going through the flower and catching it in the water jug. We have at the widest 0.57, top to bottom 0.55. We got 0.65, 0.66, top to bottom 0.41, smashing up. Yeah, if y'all want to just see that. No, nothing special. 0.51, 0.62. Now, let's see what we got on the weight. With the Critical Defense, kind of block the sunlight. We got 180.4 out of 185, and out of the silver tips, out of 225 grain, we got 214.5. Not too shabby. And that should damn near be 222. So, there you go. And that's coming out of a Chippa shotgun insert. Not too shabby. I mean, these definitely did what they're supposed to. Here, we didn't really do a whole lot out of it. It's just definitely